Hello, math learners! In this topic, I will discuss about rational numbers. Rational numbers. The set of rational numbers consists of, as you can see, between the two rational numbers, there exists other rational numbers. Repeat, there exist other rational numbers between the two rational numbers. And for this one, for the first and the last part, there are infinitely many rational numbers before and after the given rational numbers. There are many rational numbers you can find from the first and the last part. It's an infinite rational number. A rational number is a number that can be written in the form of a over b, where a and b are integers, but b must not be equal to 0. 1 over 2, 3 over 4, 5 over 6, 2 over 3, 1.5, 0.26, 0.78, 2.8. Is a decimal number a rational number? We will see if the decimal number is a rational number. Consider why the following decimal numbers are rational. 0.63. Example for that. 0.63 is irrational because it can be written as 63 over 100. When you divide 63 over 100, the result is 0.63. Another example, negative 5.7. Negative 5.7 is a rational number because it can be written as negative 57 over 10. When you divide negative 57 over 10, the result is negative 5.7. Therefore, a decimal number is a rational number as well as fraction. Rational numbers in fraction form and decimal form. How do we express rational numbers in fraction form to decimal form? To express rational numbers in fraction form to decimal form, divide the numerator by the denominator. The given is 1 over 2. The numerator will be put inside and denominator will be put outside. 1 divided by 2. So we will add 0. Before to add 0, we put decimal first or a decimal point. The decimal point must be aligned. And that's the time you can add 0. And 10 divided by 2, and that is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. And our answer is 0.5. 0.5 or the decimal numbers is not repeated. That's why it's a non-repeating. Why it says that it's a terminating? If a decimal point has an end, therefore that decimal number is terminating. Example 2. 11 over 20. 11 is inside, 20 is outside. 11 divided by 20 we cannot divide directly 11 to 20 because 11 is less than 20. So we'll put decimal point beside 11 and decimal point must be aligned. Then that's the time we add 0. 110 divided by 20 is 5. 5 times 20 is 100. 110 minus 100 is 10. 10 divided by 20. As you can see, 10 is less than 20. Then we add, or we need to add 0 and 100, and that is already 100. Yes. 100 divided by 20 is 5. 5 times 20 is 100. 100 minus 100 is 0. And our answer is 0.55. As you can see in our final answer, 5 is repeated. That's right. It's a repeating number. And it is also terminating because the decimal number has an end. That's why it's a terminating. Example number 3. The given is 1/3. 1 is inside, which is our numerator. 3 is outside, which is our denominator. As you can see, 1 is less than 3. So, we put 0 beside 1. Before that, we need to add decimal point first beside the number. The decimal point must be aligned. Then that's the time we can add 0. 10 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 is less than 3. So we put 0 beside the number. 10 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Then we add 0 again because 1 is less than 3. 10 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. As you can see, we always repeating steps. And we can stop that part. And our answer is 0.33. But as you can see, we always repeating, dividing, multiplying, subtracting. So we put bar at the top of the number, 0.333 bar. The bar signifies that 3 is always repeating. Then 3 is always repeating. That's why it's a repeating number. Why is it? It's a non-repeat, non-terminating. It's because the decimal number has no end. It's an infinite number. Infinite number, and it has no end. It's a non-terminating. Example number 4. The given 15/6. 15 is at the inside, which is our numerator. 6 at the outside, which is our denominator. 15 is greater than 6. We can divide directly. 15 divided by 6, and that is 2. 2 times 6 is 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. 3 is less than 6. So we need to add 0. Before to add 0, we put decimal point first. And the decimal point must be aligned. Please don't forget that. then that's the time we can add 0, and we can add 0 to 3, and that is 30. 30 divided by 6 is 5. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 minus 30 is 0, and it has an end. And our answer is 2.5. So 2 is our whole number. 0.5 is our decimal number. 5 is not repeated, and our answer is non-repeating. And it is also a terminating number because the decimal number has an end. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to answer the given formative assessment. God bless.